this video focuses on how to add complex numbers. So we have two complex numbers, 6 plus 2i and 3 minus 4i. So for us to add this, we're just going to look at the corresponding elements or just the real parts. So we're going to collect the real parts together, that is 6 and 3. So for the real parts, we have 6 plus 3, and then we also do the same to the imaginary parts, that is 2i and negative 4i. So here we're going to have 9 plus, here we're going to have 2i minus 4i, that is minus 2i, so that our complex number is 9 minus 2i.